Hi everyone, welcome to my video on how to improve English writing skill. So I would like to share with you some tips and tricks through which you can improve your writing skill. So number one tip is that you have to read on regular basis. If you want to improve your writing skill, you have to read on regular basis. After that, you have to write on regular basis. And you have to read the grammar book like Raymond Murphy, A.J. Thomas, or Betty Scomforozer. These are the effective books through which you can improve your English writing skill. After that, you have to get feedback on regular basis. It means that you have to make somebody that you should there's someone to check your write-ups. These are some tips which I wanted to share with you. So thank you so much.